Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up as we dive into the electrifying future of luxury SUVs with the 2026 Porsche Cayenne Electric. Following the compact Macan SUV's seamless shift to electric power, this mid-size marvel represents the next bold step in Porsche's ambitious electrification journey. Picture this, a vehicle that's longer than its gasoline counterpart, boasting a sleek, lower roofline for a squat, aggressive stance that screams performance. It's not just about looks, the Cayenne Electric packs the muscle to match. At its core, the Cayenne Electric is an all-new model for 2026, redefining what an SUV can be in the EV era. Starting with the basics, the entry-level trim delivers a robust 435 horsepower from its dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup. But hold on to your seats for the turbo variant. It's a beast with a staggering 1,139 horsepower, making it the most powerful Porsche ever built. Imagine blasting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, outpacing even the gas-powered Cayenne Turbo GT, despite tipping the scales over 1,000 pounds heavier. Active aerodynamics play a key role here, with clever aero blades deploying from the rear above 40 miles per hour to slice through the air, reducing drag and boosting efficiency. Power isn't the only thrill. Both models ride on a massive 108 kilowatt-hour battery, capable of peak charging at 400 kilowatts. This means rapid top-ups at DC fast chargers, keeping you on the move without long waits. And in a smart nod to convenience, it's the first Porsche EV to come standard with an NACS charging port, opening up a vast network of compatible stations. Now let's talk pricing and which one to pick. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne Electric kicks off at $111,350 for the base model, climbing to $165,350 for the turbo. That's a significant jump, but value hunters should lean toward the standard Cayenne Electric. It arrives well equipped, saving you nearly $50,000 compared to the turbo while still delivering impressive performance and features. Sure, the turbo's 4-digit horsepower is tempting, but the base offers plenty of punch for everyday exhilaration. Diving deeper into the EV motor's power and performance, the dual motor configuration ensures all-wheel drive across the board. The base churns out 435 horsepower, providing smooth, responsive acceleration with a claimed 0 to 60 time of 4.5 seconds. The turbo, however, elevates everything to supercar levels with its 1139 horsepower output. This isn't just raw speed, it's engineered precision. Handling is where Porsche's magic shines. Like the Taycan and Panamera, the Cayenne Electric offers the innovative active ride suspension. During prototype test drives, this system felt downright magical, effortlessly absorbing road imperfections while keeping body motions in check for a composed, confident ride. If you skip active ride, you'll still get advanced two-valve dampers and two-chamber air springs for solid comfort and control. Rear axle steering is an optional upgrade on both trims, enhancing agility in tight turns or highway maneuvers. The turbo steps it up further with a standard torque vectoring limited slip differential, ensuring power is distributed optimally for maximum grip and fun. Visually, the Cayenne Electric turns heads with its bold exterior design. From the front, it exudes Porsche's signature style, while the side profile highlights that extended length and lowered roof for a dynamic silhouette. Active elements like those pop-out aero blades add a futuristic flair, blending form and function seamlessly. Of course, there's more to uncover as we approach launch. We don't have all the details yet on real-world driving impressions or exact range figures, but if it builds on the Macan EV's success, expect it to impress across the board. This SUV isn't just about going green, it's about reimagining performance without compromise. In summary, the 2026 Porsche Cayenne Electric blends luxury, innovation, and blistering speed into one compelling package. Whether you're drawn to the value-packed base or the outrageous turbo, it's poised to electrify the roads. Stay tuned for more as Porsche pushes boundaries further. Drive electric, drive Porsche.